Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it. We have here the search bar, type moving average. Choose this one and click on it 2 times. Now, as you can see, we have here our moving averages. So go to the first one and let's change it to the 20. Click on these 3 dots, click on settings, go to input, length and change it to 20. Click on OK. And now let's change the second one. Click on these 3 dots, settings, the length 50. Okay, now we have our SMAs. If you want to change the colors, click on these 3 dots, settings, style, and we have here the color. So I will choose, for example, this one, yellow, and the thickness, I will choose this one. Click on OK. For the first one, I will keep it, I think, like that. I will just change the thickness. Blue, I will change the thickness to this one or this one. Okay. Now just click on OK. And as you can see, this is our 50 SMA. As you can see, the color yellow. And this one is our 20 SMA, color blue. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.